What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime back again with another video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Vicseed automatic car mount wireless charger. This thing's pretty awesome. As soon as you put your phone in, the arms are going to mechanically close. It's like a freaking miracle. This thing just looks amazing. Excited to take a look at this product as I just took a look at their other products last week, and now we're getting more in, guys. So that's awesome, and it's all thanks to you guys for watching, subscribing, and liking the content. Now Vicseed is an awesome company. They sell on Amazon as well as their own website out of China, and they've been nothing but kind to me, sending me products to review and keeping me up to date on all the latest tech. Package is very nice. This is a premium box, I can tell already by looking at it. Vicseed automatic car mount. It's going to charge your QI capable smartphone automatically. The electronic arm will clamp automatically when you put your cell phone on the mount, and the release buttons allow for a quick release with just one simple touch. And the foot is adjustable depending on how big your phone is. I've never seen a product like this, an automatic wireless car mount, so I'm super excited to take a look at it, guys. So why don't we go down and unbox this thing and see what comes inside the box. You ready? Let's go. And as you can see, it's an automatic car mount wireless charger. Wireless charger, fully automatic, strong stability. And then we have here on the back, strong suction, fully automatic, and adjustable foot. Okay, and there's a picture of the product in use, pretty cool. And we've got some tape here on the bottom. This will open from the bottom, like so. Okay, inside here, we have some instructions. Okay, and here's the device itself. Comes right out. Wow, look at this thing. It's heavy duty, man. Okay, do not forcefully open and close. Oh my god. I was not expecting that. So does this take some kind of battery? Okay, so it is micro USB. The other one was USB-C. Okay, so that's pretty cool. We've got an extendable arm as well as a clamp that it fits in. Okay, and another clamp for the windshield, and we've got thanks for choosing Vicseed. Jeez, it's like a fortress. Okay, so in here we have the arm and a wire. No brick. Now once again, this does not come with any type of brick at all. And looks like this is going to unscrew, and now it's also going to come out like so. So this thing will fit just about anything. You can tighten it up like so. So that's pretty awesome. I like that. Very nice durability. You can put it like this, or you can have it stretching out further like this. So that's pretty awesome. I do like that. We've got my phone right here. Let's put, oh my god. It's shut automatically. I can't believe it. Okay, that is awesome. So now to get it out, you hit that button and it comes right out. Okay, let's put it in and it closes automatically. So let's try the other button. The other button works as well. Holy crap, this thing is awesome. Okay, so let's try to adjust the feet here. How do you do that? Do you just pull it? Okay, they just pull. So it fits up to a 6.3 inch phone. Okay. That seems to be working perfectly. So hit that button, it's going to come out. And it's going to come in. Look at that grip. Holy good God. This thing is amazing. And I don't even know how it works. Does it have a battery? Oh my God. I love it. I love it. And the back looks like it might be a little bit rubberized and sticky. That's amazing. Now, as for failure of the actual device, not sure how long this is going to work for, but it is the best. I love this thing. This is so amazing. This is better than I thought it was going to be. It's so cool. Just imagine that. You put your phone in there, and it closes right on there. And then it does not come out. That's amazing. I'm blown away, guys. I really am. That's when it closes, and when you hit this, it opens. And there's another one on each side, so it's very easy to hit when your phone's on there. You just go around and hit that. This thing works amazing. So I've been using this for the whole week now, and my phone has fallen out 0 times. The arm extends super long. That's my favorite part about this. This arm is incredible. Look at that. Look how long that is. So you put that on your dashboard, your phone's right here, and this thing works amazing, guys. So you can still turn it and it'll hang onto your phone. You can even flip it upside down. Now, anything other than this is not going to hold the phone that well. The best part about this is when you actually lock your phone in like so, it's not coming out. There's nothing that's going to let this come out. It's so firm. It literally holds your phone like a dream. I'm so happy that Vicseed sent this out to me. And if you don't know who Vicseed are, they're a company that makes mobile phone accessories and other awesome tech. Now, I'm going to leave a link down below if you want to check out this item. I would highly suggest it. This is the best phone mount I've ever used for wireless charging and so on. Now, you could always use a magnet, but when you use wireless charging, you can't use the magnet. So, this gives you the best of both worlds. It holds your phone amazing. Even with the magnet, my phone would always fall out. I'm so amazed that the phone fell out 0 times, guys. I'm telling you, if you use this wireless charger, you will not regret it. And I want to thank Vicseed for sending this out to me. Greatly helps my channel grow, and I love to review these products. So if you want your product featured on my channel, just reach out to my email address or go on Twitter and reach out to me there. I'd be happy to take a look at any products you guys want me to test, and I'll drop a video for it on my YouTube channel. So I just have to show you this in action. So you hit that button to open it, and all you gotta do is slap your phone in, and look at this. This is amazing, guys. Once you slap your phone in like so, it is in there really good. No amount of force is going to make it come out, and you've got protection there on the bottom. Now, if you shake this as hard as you can, I'm sure you could get it to fall. So when you're using this thing in normal operation, it works like a charm. Pick up your phone, place it in, and as you can see, the fingerprint sensor is just accessible. So if you have a tiny finger, you could probably stick it in there. But if you're buying the Galaxy S10, you can unlock it right there. So that's pretty amazing, guys. This is the best phone holder I've used to date. Now, I really don't know how anyone could top this. Maybe build quality, but this thing is pretty sturdy. Like I said, guys, usually my phone falls out every couple minutes. This never fell out, and I'm simply amazed by that, guys. Now, I can't recommend this one enough, even though it was sent to me for review. This is leagues above anything that I've ever used, and I'm so excited that I have this now. We'll see how long this thing lasts, and if I have any issues with it, I'll do an update video. So if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you'll be notified next time I drop a video. Okay, guys, my name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime, and until next week, I'm out. Peace.